I think that many people don't realize that it's a drug, right? We give it to kids, right? You give kids, coffee, and it's just like whatever. Give them iced tea, and it's like you don't realize that it's a drug, a very powerful drug, in fact. Especially on this path where we become super sensitive. I just invite everyone to bring a conscious relationship to everything. It doesn't matter what you're doing, whether it's street drugs, hard drugs, it doesn't matter. It's just consciousness. And like that, with consciousness, we tend to find a balance, right? So there's no shame in any of that. I drink coffee now and then, but I find that it stirs up a lot of mental activity unnecessarily, uh, and that's a side effect of the energy it provides. So it's important that we acknowledge the side effects of it, right? So if we're going to drink coffee, we recognize, what do I need this for, and what are the side effects? Very few people have really considered the side effects of coffee, right? Side effects, what are you talking about? Well, maybe it's anxiety, maybe it's a shakiness. These are things that arise during the Kundalini process by itself. So, not necessary to overlook those things. You may also be called to just take a break from it for your adrenal glands, to kind of just get some soothing sort of attention. I think coffee does something with the adrenals. I know the Kundalini definitely does as well. I describe a time where I went through an adrenaline rush for like 3 days straight, laying in bed, just panicking the whole time. Not necessarily emotionally, it just a totally physical function was happening, and I understood. I was shown intuitively that this is the internal process to do with the adrenal glands. Of course, rewiring my sensitivity to fight or flight. So coffee can put us into fight or flight unnecessarily. And so maybe your body, your guides are telling you, hey, like, let's rework this fight or flight mechanism. So take a little bit of a break on the coffee. Up to you. For me, I drink coffee now and then, but it's like I make sure that it's not too late in the day. I have a plan for what I'm going to do at that time. And I'm like I'm excited. For me, it's like going on a psychedelic trip. I'm like, okay, I'm ready to do this. It's like very intense for me. And I just have a little bit of like espresso, and that's enough. So just some ideas there. No shame or anything. It's just experiment and relate with the plant medicine of coffee. It's plant medicine. You could put it that way.